We're going to find out how good this Valspar Medallion Plus exterior paint is. This is a dilapidated deck. We're going to paint it. I'll let you see what it looks like, and I'll let you know what I think of it. Alright, so we painted. I'm very, very pleased with the paint. The Valspar Medallion Plus paint and primer exterior with a clear base. Satin finish is what I used. It went on really well. This is a very, very needy deck. So what I suggest is you consider it. It's $50 a gallon for me. So it did well. So I'm not going to complain about it. The Valspar Medallion Plus paint and primer. All right, guys. See ya.